Hi, today you are going to learn how to make a cup of tea. Do you know to make a cup of tea? Yes, you know to make a cup of tea, but you don't know to tell the process of making a cup of tea in English. So today you are going to learn it in English. When you make these sentences, first of all, you should use the base verb at the very beginning of the sentence. That means at the very beginning of the sentence, you should use the base verb. After that, the rest part of the sentence. Okay, let's learn it. The first step is boil water. Boil is the base verb. Water is the rest part of the sentence. Next step is place a tea bag in a cup. Place is the base verb. Pour the hot water. Pour is the base verb. Let the tea steep. Let is the base verb. The tea steep is the rest part of the sentence. Next one, remove the tea bag. Remove is the base verb. Add some sugar. Add is the base verb. Some sugar is the rest part of the sentence. Stir it well. Stir it well. Stir is the base verb and well is the rest part of the sentence. Finally, enjoy your cup of tea. Enjoy is the base verb. Your cup of tea is the rest part of the sentence. So like this, you can tell someone the process of making any dish. For example, a cake, a toast, a fruit salad, a whatever juice. Like this, you can make sentences about the process of making any kind of dish or any kind of beverage. Okay, try this and learn English. This is easy way to learn.